Well, time to rebuild the Grasshopper. I got some new parts in, and I'm kind of getting tired of running a Runcam2 on top on a sponge or the 808 keychain camera. I was running up on top here. It's added weight. It gets a little top heavy with this big guy, and also it's just held on with elastic, so it's not always aiming where I'm seeing in the goggles. So we got some goodies in the mail. There's an Omnibus V2 F4 Pro in there. It's coming out for a Betaflight F4. We're also running the Runcam Split 2. That'll take care of all my video feed for everything. And what else are we doing? Oh yeah, we're swapping out the 4-in-1 Race Star 20 amp ESC for, what do we got in here? I got 20 amp, I don't know, Optos or Little Bees, little fellas. Wiring them up on the arms, so that way I could fit my flight controller and my Runcam board in my 20mm stack without having to adjust anything. And because I don't have a camera on top, I can move my antennas there for the RXSR to the front, just to get them away from my video from the eSheen VTX02. I know I'm missing a bit of my antenna. She got chopped the other day. I got a few replacements here. I don't know if you can see that through the bag, but we got a couple extras now. I'm hoping this doesn't add too much weight. I think that was 19 grams and this worked out to like 27 or 28 for 4 of these, but that could be with wires and leads on it as well, so something to check. The nice thing with this fella, when it's wired to your flight controller, you can start and stop your video recording, your HD video recording, on one of your auxiliary switches on your remote, and you can change modes on it if you want to take photos or whatever. I guess I'm not really into. I could pull a screen capture from a video if I really want, which I don't, but if I do, I can do it. It's basically going to sit right in there with the lens sticking out, exposed. Not the best situation, but I can do what I can with what I got. Wires came with it. I'll probably just cut them up and use them. Ah, cock.
We don't have a clear description of the vehicle at this time. Stand by. I'm on indicating vehicle.
Fucking boss. What? Frickin' boss annoying me on my own time? Alright, well, while I was chatting with him, I tore these cases off here so I could get at soldering these little bees. My formal coating, I'll slap some of that on them before I fasten them down. Usually keep that with the spices up here. But yeah, let's have at her. There she is right there. It was one heck of a tight fit. I got the Runcam Split 2 wedged in there, barely. I haven't covered the ESCs yet in case I wired them wrong. Easy switch. I had to put the beeper out here. There was no room left inside for anything. That is 20mm standoffs there. Not much room in there. She's a little twisted to fit that big camera in. Oh, this phone's about to die, so I'm going to give her a try and see if she doesn't smoke, and then get her all sorted out in betaflight. Figured I'd do this on video, just in case. I'm gonna plug her in and see if she smokes or not. And hope for the best. Mint! Alright. Over to betaflight she goes, to the laptop. Oh yeah. Figured I'd better weigh the thing. There we go. Hopefully that's in focus. There she is there. Is 153. I'm not sure what props weigh. I don't think they weigh a whole lot. .62 with props, and with a Zippy 1000 3S. Woo! Look at that! 249.3. Yes. Mark Gano can suck it. As long as I don't put 0.7 grams worth of electrical tape on it. A-okay. Well, I had a few issues with her last night. My nuts seemed to weigh more than I thought. I forgot about them, which put me up to 160 grams, I think it was. By the time the nuts, the extra prop pieces, all this electrical tape got on there, it put me up over 250. Sorry, it was, yeah, 260 point whatever. Mark Gano can still suck it. I'm gonna fly it either way. I don't care. What else? Oh, why I didn't have my little bees taped up in the first bit of the video? Yeah, all 4 of them were backwards. And I'm not quite sure on reversing motors in betaflight. I can't remember. I think I've done it. I forget. I just rather switch them with the iron. I find it easier. And then if I have to reflash firmware or something, I'm not worried about it. Oh, what else was there? There was something. Oh, my beeper doesn't work. I think I cooked it. I put too much heat to it. And, oh, my RXSR, whoop, my wonderful tape mount here. It is in PPM mode instead of SBUS. So I gotta fish it out and just pop a pin, move the wire over for SBUS. I think I had it in PPM for that omnibus because I couldn't figure out how to get it SBUS, and it was fine. 8 channel was good for that. Now I need an additional 3 channels to run Wi-Fi mode and start stop record, I think it is. So for that I gotta go SBUS, so I gotta peel her open and switch that around. And the video from this guy is so wide, even though the props are out here somewhere, it picks up some of the prop in the view, just a little bit in the edge, and once they're spinning up fairly quick and there's a light background, you don't notice them as much, but they're still there and annoying as hell. Either I don't know. I think the only thing I could really do is put a smaller, narrower focus lens on it, which I don't know if I want to do. I really like the wide angle lens. If I have to, I just crop it down a little bit, I guess, in editing. It's not like I can really move it any further forward. That's as far forward as it's gonna go, unless it's on a stick out here somewhere. But I'm not doing that, because it's already... Oh, I don't have anything to... But yeah. There's kind of a view of it there. It's the first thing that's gonna hit, if it nosedives or hits a tree or something. Luckily, they sell replacement cameras. Maybe just a lens if I'm lucky. Or not crash at all if I'm really lucky. Or good. So probably luck. What the heck else was there? I like to get a 3D printed mount for the antennas instead of that electrical tape on there. That's just to pin them together so I don't chop them in my props. Probably more worried about this little thing getting whacked here. Yeah. Oh well. Maybe even just 2 zip ties on there and some shrink wrap again and hope for the best. I don't know. I'll figure out something.